we do not care how expensive your product, your foundation is. If it does not match your skin or cater to your skin type, girl, it's going to look really cheap. I am not wearing high-end foundation, but my look is giving high-end, ain't it? Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are debunking some makeup myths, so please come if you're bumping into this channel for the very first time. My name is Charity and this is Reality Check with Chacha. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you again for tuning in again. I love you so much. So let's get right into it. The first myth that I like to debunk is makeup is rocket science. That means it's a difficult something. See, it is not. I know that there are so many routines out there online, so many things on the internet today. We're seeing a lot of things that look like pure magic, you know, especially when it has to be in a reel, like 1 minute reel. You and I know that you cannot use 1 minute to do makeup. And then makeup is not rocket science. It's not easy, neither is it hard. It's something that you can walk through if you know the tricks, the hacks, the dynamics, the things that you need to do and not do in order to get your everyday glam. I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips, a lot of tutorials on how to do your simple everyday makeup for your everyday work. 9 to 5 workers, church workers that have to be in church 6 a.m. like choristers, or you work in a firm where you're expected to wear makeup. So I'm going to be sharing with you things you can do that will not take your time but still make you look fabulous. Okay, so makeup is not easy, but I'll not tell you that it's hard. Okay, so quit all of that thing you're watching online that is giving you the idea that makeup is so hard. It's not. So that myth, I hope that it is finally debunked today. There's another myth that high-end products gets the job done better. Really? That's not even true. Okay, in as much as I always would encourage that you get like quality products, emphasis on quality does not mean that it's high in price. There are so many products that are high in quality but really affordable, while there are so many products that are high in quality but also high in price. So now the myth where you think that, oh, because you're not using a product of 100,000, that's why your makeup is looking the way it is. No, that's not the reason. The thing is, you've not mastered the art of your makeup. You've not mastered what works for you and what does not. So it's not in the high end, it's in the quality of the product, which of course you have to know how to even apply it. Are you using the right tool? Are you using the right shade for yourself? So we do not care how expensive your product, your foundation is. If it does not match your skin or cater to your skin type, girl, it's going to look really cheap. Yes. So I've seen a lot of people use a particular brand because they just feel like, oh, that is what is in vogue, and that is what will make them feel like they are doing the makeup correctly. And the truth is, when they apply their foundation, it's grayish in appearance, or it's just not good, please. And so it kind of makes your makeup look really cheap, especially this. I'm saying this foundation thing now because that is one thing that people just do anyhow these days, and they just use any products just because, oh, Fenty is the real thing, is a new thing, MAC is just, anyway, I bring up my MAC. The truth is that I use all of these products, but that does not mean that if you do not know your shade, because it's a high-end product, it will automatically work for you. No, it won't. So master your art before you even know what product to buy. Master what works for you, know what works for you, know what does not. All right, if you want to get the high-end product, make sure it's your shade, make sure that it works for your skin type as well. So please, high-end product is actually good, but that does not mean that if you cannot afford high-end at a point, your makeup will not come out fabulous. It will. So I just hope that I'm able to liberate someone today. Maybe you have been saving up to buy a particular brand. There's so many medium end. I like to call it medium end. It's not on the high side, it's not also on the low side, so it's in the middle. So many of them out there that you can buy. Like, I am not wearing high-end foundation, but my look is giving high-end in it. If you want to know the foundation that I am wearing, you can drop a comment below. You can ask me whatever you want to ask and I will answer you. The next myth that I want to debunk could be the myth that says that makeup is used to cover blemishes. In as much as this is something that I really want us to talk about, that's not what mainly makeup is for. Makeup is used to enhance your appearance, your look. It's not particularly to cover up your blemishes. That's not what makeup is. Some people will never apply makeup, but because they have blemishes, they will apply. So like, I like to advise people, if you have black spots, it will be cheaper for you to treat it before you even apply your makeup, because the clearer your skin, the better the outcome of your makeup. Don't let anybody fool you thinking that, oh, makeup just get the job done for you. No. So yes, makeup can cover up blemishes, but if you treat your acne properly and you apply makeup, first of all, it will make your makeup look better, and number two, it will even make you use less product because there's nothing to actually cover. So do not let anybody box you in thinking that, oh, the people that wear makeup are the ones that have rough face. Really? No, it's not. That's not why we are wearing makeup. We wear makeup because we want to elevate our appearance, elevate our mood. Okay? There is a perfect product for everyone. No, there is not. This is a myth and I want us to debunk it together. You guys, in case you're hearing a noise, I'm sorry. Somebody walking around today. Leave me. Give the noise. So guys, there's no perfect product every day. Matter of fact, that one product is working for a particular person does not mean it automatically work for you. Make no mistake about it. So because a particular influencer like I am, promoting a particular brand, you just think that it works for everybody. I've had so many cases where people recommend products for me and I bought it, I tried it, it didn't work for me. That does not mean that the product is a bad product. It's just that it didn't work for me. So the fact that it's working for somebody does not mean that it's going to work for you. Choices, preferences differs. There might be a particular tone, particular warmth that I'm looking for that I can find in a particular product. So it's working for this other person, definitely is not working for me. So there's no perfect products for everyone, as there will always be products like that. If you go to the market, want to go and buy makeup product, you better know the brand you want to buy, because once you get into any makeup store, your head will be spinning, your head will be rolling, because there's so many, especially foundation, too many high-end, medium-end, drugstore, too many foundations to pick from. So you have to know what works for you. That's why sometimes it's better you ask your makeup artist, because they've been working on your face, especially the ones that you like the way that their skin work feels like. Oh, what kind of foundation do you think I should use, or what are you using for me? Then you go and get it. So that will just be your best bet. Number 5, this is basically for makeup artists, for those of you that like to jump on trend. So because a particular makeup or particular foundation is trending, so you need to buy. No, you don't. You are an artist, and so are you a business person. You don't want to jump on every trend. If not, you have to buy products every weekend, because it looks like products are coming out every weekend. New product, there's always something coming out. There's always. So you are a business person, so you do not want to just throw in your money into trends, just buy anything. Yeah, it's cute. Like, for example, I love the hype on Osiberu setting spray, and I got it and I liked it. Matter of fact, when I wanted to buy it, I opted to go for the small one. I didn't find, because I want to try it. Yes, the hype is everywhere, but I want to make sure that it's working for me as well. I do not just want to buy because it is trending, and because it's not also cheap. So I'm saving my coin. So you do not need to buy the product that is trendy. You don't need to buy what you need per time. And trust me, when the Osiberu thing came out, I had like a jar of the all-nighter setting spray, and I did not buy the Osiberu until I exhausted that one that I had, because it was still working for me anyway. So why should I just jump onto the trend? And to be very honest, I just restocked the Osiberu setting spray, and so far so good. It's working. I think this product is already a year or more old, and I'm just buying it. So you do not need to buy the next available product, if not you buy products every weekend. So I just hope that this video helped somebody out there and helped you to make better choices, and to of course start your makeup journey. It is not rocket science, like I said earlier. That's a myth. Okay, there are so many ways you can get started with your makeup without having to look elaborate or too cumbersome. All right, so guys, I hope that this video helped you so much, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you have not commented, please do so. If you have not dropped a like, do so. I told you these things help push the videos to other people that needs to see it. So thank you so much for always listening to me, for always tuning in. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.